Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Yoda from Star Wars. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this Yoda, and to begin with, start with his eyes first. So it's gonna be nice and big. So again, it's gonna be kind of like an almond shape. So I'm gonna draw one curve on top. Just come across, just draw the upper lid for the other eye, and then now we're drawing the bottom. So it's the same curve, just opposite. Alright, and then from there I'm gonna draw in the eyeball. So inside here, just gonna draw like a little half circle touching the top. And then from there, right on the top here, I'm gonna draw a smaller circle, just touching the top again. And then, so that's gonna be my highlight, so I'm just gonna shade around it. If you make it all black, it's gonna look a little bit creepy. That's why it's nice to add a little highlight to it. Okay, and then from there, we're gonna draw in the rest of his face. So just come down right in the center right here. Draw a little bracket for the sides of his nose. And then just curve it. Close that off, and then for the nostrils in here, I'm just gonna draw two little bumps right here on the edge, on the bottom. Okay, and then for his mouth, just come down, one line across. The lower lip right here, just a smaller line. And then let's go ahead and add in some details right here. So on the corner of the lip, just draw two little lines like this. And then on his nose right here, let's draw two lines like this. So we're just giving him some creases. Okay, and then from there we'll add in the finish up the shape of the face. So right here in the eye, just come out. It's gonna be the side of the face. Come down, just curve it in right around here. And then from there we'll come in a little bit steeper. Gonna be a jaw, and then just close it off for the chin. And then let's go ahead and add in some details. Just right here, just two little lines right here. Give some more detail on his chin. And then in his upper lip right here, just add in a few lines. So that makes him look a little bit older. Alright, so now let's continue on. So we're gonna give a little bit of space right here, just come up. Make two little points, and then we're gonna taper inwards. Finish the top of the head first. So slant up with a curve, and then just close it off so it's a little bit flat on the top. And then now let's go ahead and finish up it inside right here. So right above the eyes right here, just draw two curves. And then we'll connect those, just come across. Okay, right in the center here, we're gonna add in some of the folds and ridges of his forehead over there. So we'll draw one line straight up, and then come over to the side here. Slant up on both sides. And then come to this line right here. Just draw a curve to the other line. And then one more right here, one big curve going out. I know it's kind of strange, but he's got a lot of strange shapes on the top. Okay, so now we can draw in his ears. So for his ears, it's very easy. Now that we have this space right here, we just go out. I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a curve. Come down right here, right around the nose area, come out. Just draw two little lines going down. And then now whatever space you have here, just connect them. And again, I'm gonna add a little bit curve to it. Okay, and then to finish up the ear, just start right here. Just go all the way up here. Okay, so curve to this point here. And we'll add a little bit of folding on the bottom right here. Okay, so that's the head, and yeah, it's not too hard to draw, right? I know it looks complicated at the beginning, but it's actually pretty easy to draw. So right now we gotta draw the robe on the inside first. So just come right around here. Let's draw 2 lines going down, and then I'll close that off. So this is gonna be his waist area. I'm gonna go down 1 section. This is gonna be the little, I guess, wrap around his waist. And then I'm gonna add 1 line, slight angle. Okay, so that's gonna be inside, and then now for the little collar right here, just go out from here, and then just come in. That's gonna give us the collar. All right, and then before we can draw in the rest of the robe, we're gonna draw in this hand right here first. So it's gonna be a little bit strange because it's just gonna be floating out in nowhere. So just come out to the side right around here. Just draw like a little egg shape. That's gonna be his thumb. And then for the claw, 1 curve, and then just go toward 1 end here. So that's gonna be his thumb here. And then start right here, just curve up. And then round it out, just come in, make a little hook. Add a little angle here, that's gonna be the fingernail. And then just start right here, just come down, so that's another finger. Okay, and then 1 more, start here, go out, and just hook it again. And then his nail is right here, just little angle. And then from this point here, just come in, so that's the 2nd finger, or the 3rd finger. Okay, so in between here, just find the middle, make a little point, curve to the thumb, and then curve to this point. So that's gonna be the palm, the bottom of the palm. And you add some extra folds right here, and 1 little line here. All right, so that's his hand, and yeah, that's probably the trickiest part. And now to finish up the robe here, so start right here, just connect to the hand. And then for the opening of the robe, just start right here, just come down, and same thing right around here, underneath the palm. Just draw like 1 big U shape. And then from this point, just curve up. Okay, and then to finish up the arm right here, this one's easy. We'll just draw 1 curve. And let's start up here. Just gonna curve down to here, but don't connect those lines. So same thing here. So these are just folds for the robe. Okay, so that's 1 arm, and now let's draw on the other side. So before drawing the other arm, I'm gonna draw part of this robe. Just, you can add a little line right here. So here's the inside of the robe going down. And again, it's gotta be a little bit longer, but I'm just gonna stop right there for now. And then start right around here. Just draw another line coming down. So once we have those lines, from this point here, just come across and make a little dot there. And then I'm gonna curve up. So that's gonna be the opening for the rope on the other side. Now whatever space you have here, I'm just gonna connect it. Just give it a little angle there. Okay, so just add some angles, and this is gonna be the fold. So whatever angle you have in here, you can just come in. So that'll make it look like folds. Okay, so now we're gonna draw in his hand right here. So he's gonna be holding his staff. So right on the corner, just a little angle coming down. Here's the fingertip. Just go back up. And then for his thumb right here, it's kind of the same thing. Just come down and then just kind of round it out a little bit more. All right, and then for the fingernail right here, little triangle. And this one's gonna be on the side, so I'm just gonna draw 1 line and then go down. Okay, so that's his hand, and we'll draw in the staff later because we're gonna draw in the rope and the rest of the body first. So now we'll come down in the center, in the middle part. This part coming down and then just kind of close it off. So that's one side of the robe. And then on this side, just come right around here. Come down, and then same thing, just close it off. And we can add in some lines here, just for some folds. And then on the inside here, we'll close it off. Just come up and close it off. And then let's just add in some lines like that. Make it look like the clothes is being kind of tucked in. Alright, now for his foot, on the back, this is going to be his heel, bracket, and then start right around here. Just draw a little curve. It's going to be one of his toes, and then we'll connect that to the bottom of the foot. And then again for his nail. Okay, just a little angle, and then one more toe right here. Just curve and then just come in. So this one's behind it. And then for the nail, it's gonna come out a little bit. So we'll just draw a little angle. Okay, and then on this side here, we're gonna start the foot right here. We're gonna come down. Just gonna draw a little bracket. Here's the toe again. Just curve and then we'll close that off. And then same thing here. So just angle. And then same thing on this side. Again, the toenail. Okay, so now we can draw in the staff. So just right underneath the hand right here, I'm just gonna draw like a little wavy line coming all the way down to his foot. And then start in here. Just go all the way down and then just round it out and close it off. Alright, so that is it for this Yoda. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.